This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making baked beans with eggs and mixed vegetables. For this dish, we only need a few simple ingredients. 1 can of baked beans, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 eggs, and 80 grams of frozen mixed vegetables. This mixed vegetable is optional, but I find that it gives plate appeal to the final dish. Also, we need 100 ml of water. We will use the empty can for this. In a pan over low heat, put in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, pour in the beaten egg. You need not cook it all the way through, about 80% will do. Next, add in the beans. Together with 100 ml of water, the ketchup, the mixed vegetables. The soy sauce and the pepper. Give this a good mix and bring it to a boil. When it comes to a boil, turn off the heat. And this is ready to serve. This is a very simple dish, baked beans with eggs and mixed vegetables.